The best way to increase your skills and shoot cinematic scenes is to practice and shoot. Earlier this year, I shot my first feature film. This was my goal, something I had been aiming for a while. Before that, I shot 2 short films to increase my skills and make mistakes that I can learn from so I don't make them in my feature film. That's exactly how it happened.
Where to go, beautiful woman?
I'm lost. I don't know where to find him.
You must find the key.
Where can I find the key?
Now I show you the number 1 rule for creating a cinematic scene. The rule is, there must be depth behind the object. What this means, I show you in the following example. For my short film, Die Before You Die, I rented a container for a month to have a sci-fi-like location. The main character, which I played myself, sits in this opening scene on a chair connected to a device for brainwashing. This is what my first attempt looked like. When I was done, I wasn't completely satisfied with this result. Something wasn't enough for me. I thought about it for a long time, like a few hours, and didn't know what it was. But then I figured it out and went back to the container late at night to do it again. There was only one thing I changed to make the scene much more cinematic and to make it look like a more expensive production. I placed myself much further away from the wall and gained more depth behind it. The haze that was there before came out much better. This is what came out. I hope I could help you with this simple trick.
Männer weinen nicht. 6. Arbeite hart. 7. Sei deiner Frau treu. 8. Gehorche den Autoritäten. 9. Mache deinen Hochschulabschluss. 10. Achte die Gesetze. 11. Rebelliere nicht.
12. Finger weg.
And if you want to know the number 1 rule for script writing, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.